Hello everyone, this is Fernin, and for today's video, I'm going to interpret and read this freedom message from my friends. Plus, the question and answer will be included in this video. So, before I proceed the Q&A, I need to read this first. So, let's start. According to Ray, she said here, nakakapagod mag-aral minsan, kas lahat dapat fair sa school. SSLG and student athlete. I'm not sure how to interpret this message either, but it seems like Ray is trying to say that balancing her role as a school representative and an athlete is difficult, and she's struggling to keep up with her studies. She's feeling the pressure, and something just doesn't feel right from her own perspective. So, my advice to Ray is not to pressure herself. Her struggles are worth it, and her position as a school representative is a unique and a valuable experience. She should try to compile her journey and write about her experiences. Her character doesn't define her intelligence. It's her determination, skills, and courage that matters away. Okay, so that is for Ray. So let's move on to Zywin or Ziwin. I don't know how to pronounce this name. Anyway, so she said here, dahil malapit na ang entrance exam sa college, syempre nag-alala ako dahil hanggang ngayon wala pa akong natatanggap na confirmation at wala pang result. Ilang days na lang ay deadline na. So ngayon ay labis ang pag-alala ko at syempre 1 month na lang ay mag-exam na kami. Kaya ngayon ay hindi ko maiwasan ma-pressure. So this feeling is not easy to relate to, but I felt it too when I was senior high school. I know you're trying your best to pass the college or the entrance exam, but you're worried about the quota and if you'll even make it, the qualifications. Zaiwen, we all know that entrance exam is a big obstacle and it's not easy to overcome. But every challenge has a purpose and we need to realize that. So don't be afraid to fail because failure is a part of our progress. You might need to take for a while, but someday your pain will become a source of strength. Okay? So that is for Zaiwen or Ziwen. Let's move on to Andoy. So by the way, Andoy is my childhood friend and he is also my best friend since when we were high school. Okay, for according to Andoy, he said here, gusto ko ng pahinga or magaling na kaklase na makakatulong sa akin na sila naman yung gagawa. So, my advice for Andoy is don't pressure yourself. Charis. So, for Andoy, I can feel you. The pressure you're feeling is real, and juggling schoolwork, extracurriculars, and looming deadlines is tough. You're looking for supportive classmates, but it's proving difficult, maybe even with competition involved. So, my only advice for you is don't beat up yourself because you're doing your best. But remember to prioritize self-care and manage your time effectively. Regarding to your classmate, don't settle for negativity. Seek out those who are genuinely willing to help and support you. That's the best way to look forward. Okay? So that is for all. Next, let's move on to the Q&A. Okay, I'm not sure about this. I am not confident enough to answer these questions, but I'll try my best to answer. Okay, so let's go. The first question that I pick is, what's the best movie you've ever watched? Hmm. One of the best movies I've ever watched in TV is Sister Akas by Vice Ganda and Ay de las Alas. You know, the Philippine comedy. So, that is the best movie I've ever watched in my life. Next question. Okay. What is your favorite storybook? I don't know what is my favorite storybook, but my only favorite story is Cinderella. So maybe that is my favorite storybook, I guess. Okay, next answer. I mean, next question. Sorry for that. Okay. Who are your favorite love teams? My favorite love teams. Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla. And of course, Julia Barreto and Joshua Garcia. So those are my favorite love teams in Philippine history. Sorry for that. Next. Hmm, next question. Okay. So this one is a little bit difficult. What is your favorite Pinoy soap opera? Okay, so one of the best opera I've ever watched in TV is Prima Donnas by Jillian Ward, Sophia Pablo, and Althea Ablan. Those triplets, they are the best. Next question. Okay. Which country would you prefer to visit? Um, I would like to say United Kingdom and United States of America. Excuse me. So those are the countries that I want to visit. Next question. What is your favorite dessert? So my favorite desserts are ice cream and cake plus cupcakes. And my favorite flavor is strawberry or chocolate. So I could say both of them. Next question. Okay, what is your favorite movie? So my favorite movie is Suddenly It's Magic by Erich Gonzalez and Mario Maurer. Maurer? How to pronounce his last name? I don't know. You know Mario Maurer, the Thailand actor. If you know him, just comment down below. Next question. We already finished this. Okay. What is your, who is your favorite pop star singer? My favorite pop star singer is Ariana Grande because I really love her songs. Like Daydreaming, Honeymoon Avenue, Focus, Problem, and then I also love the Greedy. So Ariana Grande is my favorite pop star. Okay, the last question is okay, this one is very, very hard to answer. Who were your former crushes? Okay, I am not confident enough to answer this question, but okay, I'll do it. Okay, crush reveal. So my former crushes are they're in high school, and their names is Jean Espirida, Denzel Rivera, of course, Aerol Angera, and then Justin Escultura. So those four boys are my former crushes. Okay, so that is for all. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you like it. And thank you again. Goodbye. It's nice to meet you all.